Let's find out which one of these makes the best glue. Let's start with the premium deck. We're going to put a bunch on here like this, and we're just gonna glue it down like that. I'll clean that up. Let's give that a couple hours and see which one's strongest. Each one of these has dried for 24 hours. Let's see how strong it is. This one broke right when I picked it up, so I think that one's out. Okay, let's test the Mod Podge over here. I'm just gonna give these guys little twists. Oh, that was pretty strong. Okay, now let's try this one. Oh, snap. Holy cow. Definitely the strongest out of all of them. This is by far the best glue. Wow, that was insightful. Holy cow.